Hey guys, now I promised you on the last video or 2 videos ago that I would teach you how to use for loops. Now it's easy, so let me just get into a game real quick. So for loops is what you use instead of writing like 50 lines of code. You can just write for loop and it'll do it in like 1 line of code. So let me show you how it's done. But I've been getting all of these spam people. No, I'm not ever accepting that. Stupid intro. Please leave. Okay, I won't mind the intro. It'll go in server storage. Now, for loops. Okay, so first you want to insert a screen GUI. Name this anything you want. I'm just going to name it my thing, YT test. Now, if you want to use for loops, let's see. Put a frame. Now, let's make it really big. My God. Let's make it the entire size of our screen. Okay, I'm going to change the color. Now, into the frame, let's add a local script. Let's say script.parent. Actually, there's nothing to do here. Why don't we add a text button into this frame? There. Mouse button equals 1. Okay. Now instead of writing, script.parent. Background transparency equals 0.1. Instead of writing all those code, all you could do is just use a for loop. So a for loop is it's a loop that basically happens when you put in the correct code. Now the code is for loop equals 100 do. Now what this code means over here, 100 do, it'll loop. Okay, so we're gonna put code in under this, and it's gonna loop it once. It's gonna loop it 100 times once. If you get what I mean. All right, so let's say you want to go script.parent.background color 3 equals color 3 dot oops, no, not background color. Background transparency equals script.parent.background transparency plus 0.01. Now, if you want it to be like 0.001 or 0.1, then that depends on this thing. So if you do 110 do, you want to do this type, 0.1. If you do 100 do, that'll be 0.01. If you do 1000 do, that'll be that. Okay, so let me just bring it back. Alright. And you'll see what it does. So as you can see me, I'm in the game and I click the button. Wait, why isn't it working? Script.parent mouse button for loop. Oh, I didn't even do this part. There. Now it should work. Don't forget that double parent if you're doing it like that. Okay, so as you can see, I click the button and it fades away, but it does it really quick. Now, I'm not going to reveal how you can change that just yet. But when I do, it'll be much better. Because instead of doing all the code, like, script repair and transparency, all that stuff, it takes like 30 lines of code, right? This one takes only 2 lines of code. So, yeah. Yep. Hope you guys enjoy this video. Please leave a big fat like and subscribe. Turn on notifications to be notified when I post a new video, because you never know when I will. Yay!